the forecast model for two main purposes. One is to develop heating and cooling demand profiles for the year 2015. So in that sense we break down the overall heating and cooling demand into individual end users, energy carriers, technologies, and so we can explore the demand on a very detailed level. That is one added value, and the second is we use forecasts to develop a baseline scenario until 2050, which shows possible future evolution of heating and cooling energy demand by taking into account today's policies, the policies that are implemented today, and also taking into account the trends and the development of the economic framework of energy prices, economic growth, population development, etc. And it gives us an indication how can heating and cooling demand, how might it develop in the future until 2015. First of all, it tells us how heat pumps and how different other supply options actually today, and so today for us is actually the year 2015, this might be in the past, but it's the start here of our calculation. So it tells us how energy demand for heating and cooling is broken down into these different dimensions, and we can explore what the contribution of district heating, for example, is in the individual member states or in the individual sectors, and the same for heat pumps. And with regard to energy savings, we assess how the impact of today's policies is on the future energy demand. If available energy saving potentials would be exploited, would be implemented, how would energy demand for heating and cooling develop in the future until 2030, until 2050?